It was pretty darn cool, and everybody was happy. It's kind of changing how we're looking at things. We have to get the word out to the customers that we're able to do this.
Stretch Forming Corporation is a build-to-print contract manufacturer specializing in aerospace, defense, and space products. Specifically, our capabilities include metal forming, aluminum heat treat machining, and 3D printing of aircraft, space, and defense components.
Yeah, stretch forming is a process that was developed World War II. The average length of time to make a tool from order and getting the model from the customer is 4 weeks. We get AOG work, which is aircraft on ground. They have an airplane that needs that part, and that's an expensive proposition to have an airplane sitting idle waiting for us to make a tool. So making tools quickly is key to our success.
Saratech is an engineering company that helps companies build better products through engineering services, software sales, and additive manufacturing support.
So first of all, Stretch Forming Corporation. We met them at the Paris Air Show last year. We just happened to walk up and instantly we hit it off. Within about a month, we did some follow-up and they had an opportunity for a B-52 program. And what we did is we came out, did our first article with them for a prototype for some form tooling in a very simple format. Stretch forming is when you take a piece of sheet metal and you typically stretch it around what's called a form block. That form block is traditionally made out of some sort of metal, aluminum. And what we did is we said, you know what? It takes a long time and it costs a lot to do aluminum. So we said, we think we have a good technology application. It's using HP. It's a very hard nylon. And what we did is we did our first test with them to make sure that it worked out. When the prototype was done, the form block did its job. They pulled the tool off, they trimmed it up, and it met all the requirements for first article inspection. It's reduction of cycle time, production lead time, and cost. Two major drivers in the aerospace industry.
We're never going to replace metal parts in a lot of situations, but the tooling that goes into setting up that metal part, for example, we can make that a lot faster so we can get metal parts out the door quicker. So that's really the benefit of adopting these new technologies. It's not so much a displacement as it is an improvement on the old ways of doing things.
It was pretty darn cool, and everybody was happy, and it's kind of changing how we're looking at things. We have to get the word out to the customers that we're able to do this.
SFC recently had a deal for over 90 parts to get made, and that would have put them at several months of lead time. Well, we're able to knock out these parts literally in 2 to 3 days per part, which is just accelerating what they can do and delivering high quality parts to do that as well.
Saratech is extremely agile and innovative. They provided a lot of engineering support and resources to us, as well as advising us on how to accomplish additive manufacturing and integrate it into our facility.
Stretch Forming Corporation is a fantastic company to work with. Everybody we've talked to here is extremely friendly and responsive. They get everything done, and they get it done right every time.
If you're interested in working for Stretch Forming Corporation, probably the best way is our website, stretchformingcorp.com. Request a quote, whatever you need, and we will promptly get back to you.